Hey guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got to look at the human-made Rivalry low. Before we get into the review, guys, if you are new to our channel, hit that subscribe button, help us on our way to get 1,000 subscribers. Hit that notifications bell as well so you never miss any of our latest videos. Let's get into it. So, as I mentioned, today we've got to look at the ADIDAS human-made Rivalry low in the... Now I want to get this colorway right because it is all over the gaff. But we've got it in a maroon navy, white and BO aqua. It's a very vibrant colours, let me assure you as soon as you get this box open. But we've got this in a UK size 8, European 42, and it's a US 8.5 or 8.5. And there it is. Vibrant, as I mentioned, like really striking colours. And let's get into the details. So we start with the outsole. So we've got an all rubber outsole. This doesn't really have like any herringbone or traction that I'm familiar with, but you've got a lot of nice grip here. This was built for basketball. The Rivalry was one of Adidas's adventures into the basketball realm, during the 80s. I don't know much about it because I know more about Air Force Ones, but I believe that this was to rival the Air Force One back in the day when Adidas and Nike were going head to head. I mean, they still are. Going along the midsole, so you still got the same rubber material here. And it is surrounded with this Adidas logo that is in navy with the trefoil there. Going along the upper, it's vibrant. You can tell the colours hit. We've got bright colours. We got that red, we got that yellow, we got that aqua blue, we got that navy, and little tones of, I believe that is subtle aqua navy as well on the three stripes. And on the medial side, you've got the human-made logo. Now, for those that don't know, human-made is by Nigo, the guy who made Bape, and he is a pinnacle. He is the guy when it comes to streetwear. He practically made it into what it is today, shaping it back in the early 2000s when he made Bape, and now he's gone into human-made, which is his current business. And what these take inspiration from are the early Bapesters. So you remember the Bapesters, you've got those nice striking colours as well, similar to this. And obviously they've got that Air Force One, well, it's a Bapester. We don't want to mix them both together, but essentially it's an Air Force One silhouette, and this is Adidas's version of it. So it is taking hits of that early Bapesters, them being vibrant, putting that color blocking into this Rivalry low, and I think it goes well. It meshes great together. Very simple silhouette. That's what I was going for. And before I forget, just want to mention that on the three stripes, you got Gears for Futuristic Teenagers, which is one of their slogans, human-made. And on the tongue, it's nicely padded here, nylon on the under, but you got basically the whole upper is leather. So the tongue is leather, all the outlays and underlays, it's all leather here as well. You got perforation on the toe box, just for a little bit of breathability. And at the heel counter, you got the nice yellow Adidas logo mixed all with the red and that blues. All the colors complement each other. As I mentioned, it reminds me of the Bapester back in the day. I really wanted some Bapesters when I was 16, but they were so expensive. But this, bang for your buck when it comes to price. You can still get a pair on the Adidas website as of today, as of the date of recording. And there was other colorways that came out, but I was able to get this more brightly coloured one, and I think I got the best colour out of the bunch. And I can't wait to try these on, really, show you what I'm wearing with, like, so I'm wearing like some work trousers, and I think that they go well. I'm going for that like Japanese aesthetic where everyone's wearing like wide leg trousers, and I think these go well because this is Japanese inspired. So here we go, let's get it. It's a good fit. There is some spacey issues. It's just because I think this is for wide footers basically, but in terms of like my toe going towards the end, yeah, it fits in that regard. But I feel like there's a bit of space, there's a little wiggle room, but my heel isn't coming off the shoe a lot when I walk, so maybe get a half size down if you can. It depends on the supply. I'm pretty sure these shoes are still available on Adidas's website, but if not, try and get yours true to size Adidas. Even though usually I'm a size 8 for Adidas, that will be like their sock shoes, their runners, like the Adidas Ultra Boost and NMDs. I think for their leather stuff, I think I'd have to go a half size down. I would go to my natural true size, which is 7.5 UK, whereas I usually go 8 for Adidas. Nevertheless, it feels good on, very comfy, and I feel like I've got great support as well. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Instagram at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. Until next time, peace.